Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to remove green screen in Camtasia. First, launch Camtasia, import the video with the green screen background. Select the video clip on the timeline. Go to the Visual Effects tab and find the Remove a Color effect. Drag and drop the effect onto the video clip. Then, from the right section here, click on this color options. Then click on the color picker tool and select a sample of the green screen color from your video. Then here is the preview. But here we can see a little bit green color here. Use the tolerance slider to fine-tune the color removal process. A higher tolerance will remove a wider range of colors, while a lower tolerance will be more precise. Then here is the preview. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.